The continuation of molecular orbital energy level diagrams of hydrogen molecule, helium molecule, beryllium molecule, boron molecule, etc. So in that, the next one is MOED, molecular orbital energy level diagram of B2 molecule, which molecule? B2 molecule, boron atomic number is 5. So contains 5 electrons in B2 electron configuration is, it contains how many electrons? 10 electrons, contains 10 electrons. So therefore electron configuration is sigma 1s, sigma 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2. Now 8 electrons are over. Then pi 2p x equals to pi 2p y. So therefore these two are degenerated orbitals. So therefore the first electron entered into 2px, the second electron entered into which one? 2py. So total how many electrons? 10 electrons in boron molecule. So therefore 1, 2, 3, here is 2 plus 2, 4 electrons, 5, 6. So 6 electrons present in bonding molecular orbital. Number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals equals to 6. Number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals is 4 electrons. So therefore bond order is calculated. Number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals minus the number of electrons present in anti-bonding molecular orbitals. So therefore number of electrons in BMO, earlier we are already discussed, minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital by 2. So therefore here is what? 6 minus 4 by 2. Okay, here is 2 by 2, nothing but 1. So therefore what is the bond order? Bond order is 1. Single bond is present. Which bond is present? Single bond is present. According to molecular orbital theory, it contains 2 unpaired of electrons in 2 degenerated orbitals, that is pi 2px and pi 2py. So therefore number of unpaired of electrons, equals to 2. So therefore it is which one? Paramagnetic. Means if any substance contains unpaired of electrons, it is easily attracted by magnetic field. Such substances are known as paramagnetic substances. So therefore B2 molecule can act as which one? Paramagnetic substance. So therefore the paramagnetic nature of B2 molecule is clearly explained by molecular orbital theory. Which theory? Molecular orbital theory.